Update on the Kada Scott case. Disappearance and initial investigation. On the evening of October 4, 2025, 23-year-old Kada Scott departed for her overnight shift at a nursing home in Philadelphia, known as the Terrace at Chestnut Hill. Shortly after her arrival, she went outside and did not return. Her phone, social media accounts, and other forms of communication became inactive. In the days leading up to her disappearance, she had informed family and friends that she was experiencing harassment. Investigators discovered her vehicle parked at the facility when she failed to come back. Key developments in the investigation. A man named Keon King, who was 21 years old at the time, was subsequently arrested and charged in relation to the disappearance. Forensic and digital evidence were crucial. Cell phone location data, an Apple Watch location, surveillance footage, and an anonymous tip all contributed to guiding investigators to a particular wooded area. On October 18, 2025, remains believed to belong to Kada Scott were uncovered in a shallow grave behind the now-closed Ada H. Lewis Middle School in East Germantown, Philadelphia. Ruling of homicide and expanded charges. The medical examiner classified Scott's death as a homicide. According to the office, she succumbed to a gunshot wound to the head. King was charged with murder in addition to several other offenses: robbery, theft, firearms violation, tampering with evidence, abuse of a corpse, conspiracy, and obstruction of justice. Court documents indicate that others may have aided in the relocation and burial of her body. Investigators are actively seeking to identify further suspects or accomplices. Context and prior history. In the spring of 2024-2025, King had previously faced charges in another kidnapping and strangulation case, but those charges were later dropped after the victim failed to appear in court. Prosecutors have stated that this was an error. The release of an individual with such serious prior allegations has become a point of contention in this case. Some members of the community have highlighted systemic issues related to prosecutions, bail, and victim participation.